How do you make Pepsi Zero look cooler than Diet Coke? Introducing HiveSchool's AI Marketing Fellowship, a 6-month program on campus in Gurgaon. Let's talk curriculum. If you are a brand manager at a new age startup chasing 100 crore revenue, where do you put your money? Is it Blinkit, Meta, or Amazon? How do you take an Indian brand global? 6 months, 25 sprints. You learn brand, growth, AI native marketing, and learning how to create new age content like this.
Mentors come from Epigamia, Zomato, Nestle, all those people running marketing there today. Built our own IP through content challenges.
Dropshipping challenges where we run real orders and real stores.
Built a real brand end-to-end. Logo, positioning, brand statement, launch, everything.
Live briefs for Gully Labs, Third Wave Coffee, Big Boy Toys. We pitch to the founders themselves.
6 months in, our students are either working with a brand or an agency or building something of their own. If this sounds like you, applications are now open and I will see you on the campus.